Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're a professional on the go or just someone who's always on the move, finding the right gear to support your work and comfort is crucial. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Master Massage Table's lightweight, wooden, handy folding massage stool, a compact and portable option designed for comfort and stability in various professional environments. Whether you're a mobile masseuse, a tattoo artist, or simply need extra seating, this stool promises a blend of portability and functionality. Let's dive into the details. This portable stool stands out with its ultra-lightweight design, weighing in at under 5 pounds. Its folding mechanism makes it incredibly easy to store and carry, whether you're moving from one location to another or just need to save space in your salon or office. The stool's versatility is definitely its strong suit. Its compact size, measuring just 13 inches by 13 inches with a height of 19 inches, makes it ideal for tight spaces where you need a quick and comfortable seat. Now, let's talk comfort, because any stool needs to support you for long hours. This one comes with a 2-inch thick foam cushion made of multi-layer small cell foam. The cushion is denser than many you might find on typical folding stools, and it's designed to provide both comfort and support. I found it to be quite cozy during extended sittings, which is a must if you're using it for professional services like massages or tattoo work. The upholstery deserves a mention too. Crafted from nanotechnology PU material, it's resistant to both oil and water, which is a huge bonus in environments like spas, massage parlors, and tattoo studios, where spills and messes are common. It's easy to wipe clean, making it a practical choice for professionals who need to maintain hygiene. When it comes to stability, the stool features European beechwood legs, which are known for their durability. The DuraSeal finish not only adds a glossy, polished look, but also increases the stool's longevity. I had no issues with wobbling or instability, even with the stool's lightweight frame. It holds up well under a working capacity of 350 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of users. In terms of value for money, this stool offers a solid balance of price and quality. It's certainly not the cheapest option out there, but for the level of comfort, durability, and portability it provides, the price feels justified. If you're a professional who frequently moves between clients or just someone in need of reliable, comfortable seating that doesn't take up much space, this is a practical investment. While it may not be for everyone, if you're someone in need of a folding stool that's easy to transport, provides good support, and can hold up through a variety of conditions, this product checks those boxes. There are alternatives available, but I found this one to have a good balance of quality, durability, and convenience for the price. If you're already using the Master Massage Table's folding stool or have a similar product in mind, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know how it worked out for you. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss out on honest, in-depth reviews like this one. Your support helps us continue providing useful content for beauty lovers like you. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.